Affordable and classic cars you can drive in Nigeria, 2026. Looking for a car in Nigeria that is affordable, reliable, and still looks classy? You don't want something that will drain your pocket every week at the mechanic, right? Well, today, I'll show you the best affordable and classic cars you can drive in Nigeria right now. Before we jump in, let's be clear. In Nigeria, a good car must pass 3 tests. It must be affordable to buy, easy to maintain with cheap spare parts, and strong enough to handle our roads and traffic. If a car fails any of these, it's not for Nigeria. First on the list, the king of Nigerian roads, the Toyota Corolla. This car is everywhere, and for good reason. It's fuel-efficient, super reliable, and mechanics understand it easily. Whether you're a student, worker, or business owner, Corolla just works. Backhand index pointing right. If you want peace of mind, this is your best bet. Next up, the boss move, the Toyota Camry. This one gives you comfort, space, and power. Popularly called Big Daddy or muscle, this car is perfect if you want something bigger and more respected. Backhand index pointing right. It's smooth, strong, and perfect for Nigerian highways. Now let's talk style and performance, the Honda Accord. Especially the end-of-discussion models. This car is a fan favorite. It's powerful, sleek, and fun to drive. But make sure you maintain it well, and it will serve you long-term. Backhand index pointing right. Perfect if you want something sporty, but still affordable. On a tighter budget? Then check out the Nissan Altima. It's cheaper than Toyota and Honda, but still very comfortable and practical. Backhand index pointing right. Great value for your money if you're trying to save. Want something more modern? Go for the Hyundai Elantra. This car gives you newer features, better design, and good fuel economy. Backhand index pointing right. Ideal if you want a fresh, modern look without breaking the bank. Final verdict. So here's the deal. Low budget. Go for older Corolla or Accord. Mid-budget? Corolla or Camry is perfect. Higher budget? Newer models or Elantra. Always remember, buy a clean car, not just a cheap car. Which of these cars do you like the most? Drop your choice in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more car updates in Nigeria. See you in the next video. Thank you for following. SA Apex.